Hello, today I'm in Fiat 500. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, look at the right side of the steering wheel, and behind it we've got this lever. In order to use front wipers, focus on this button right here. Right now it's set on auto. If you want to use the slow mode of the front wipers, switch it once downwards. Let's set faster mode. So switch it again downwards. And now let's use the fastest mode. If you want to use the front wiper just one, simply push this lever upwards. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.